Hello everyone, I wanted to create a short video to explain how you will answer your content connection questions when you have to write them in a paper. Some content connection assignments will require you to upload information such as a video or something like that, or gives you the option to do that, but some of them have to be written in paper format, and it needs to be written in APA written paper format since this is a writing intensive course. So I just want to let you know about some resources that you have. Some of these you've already had since week 1, and some of them are down. I'm showing you now that we're in unit 2. So if you come to the main page here and you go to modules, when you come here to the course academic expectations, you're going to scroll down and you should see the PowerPoint that you've already reviewed, the APA expectations. Dr. Higgins created this PowerPoint and she's allowed me to use it within my courses. So this PowerPoint here will give you some information on APA format. If you have an APA book, which was a suggested text for you to have for this class, then you might not need this information that I'm providing to you here. You're going to see here, this is the assignment, or not, I'm sorry, not the assignment, directions, but it's information on how to format your paper or your papers that you're going to be doing. I want you to use 12-point font. I'm giving you references to, I'm going to give you the links to how to create a reference page, how to create a cover page, and also how to format different sections. So I'm going to just show you what those pages look like now. So within APA format, you are allowed different sized font. I want you to use 12-point font. As you can see here, 12-point Times New Roman. That's what I want you to use. When you scroll down, it talks about different sections. It talks about the title page. That's important to know. You are doing a student paper right here. Let me scroll down a little bit more. It says a student paper should not include an author note. It'll make sense when you read this information, but it gives you an example of what a student paper has here. For these content connection assignments, you do not have to do an abstract, so don't worry about that. You'll have different question sets within your content connection assignments, and so I'm going to suggest that you use level 1 headings. You can use, if you feel like you need the other headings, that's fine also, but the most basic way to do it would be level 1 headings. So when you're separating your question sets, because you might have 3 question sets that you're going to answer all within one paper. So one level heading might be question set 1, and then you answer all the questions. Question set 2, and then you answer all the questions. Of course, you are not repeating the questions. You're just going to provide me with a clear, concise answer that provides details to demonstrate that you understand what's going on. Finally, because this is a writing intensive class and we're following APA standards, you're going to have a reference list. And so here's another site that will be provided in that Word, or actually it'll be a PDF when you guys see it, but in the PDF on how to format your reference list. And so it gives you the information here, tells you how to format the different references, if you had to cite something from your textbook, that kind of thing. This information on the reference list is also provided in that PowerPoint that, let me get back to it. Oh, actually, it's up here. In this PowerPoint here that was on the course expectations page in your Canvas class. As usual, if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm here to help, and so have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye-bye.